Okay, this is a weather video that's for the Pocono Weather 360 people. This is the storm reports that we had. And basically, if this kind of map here, I can show you here that out in Lock Haven, they had a couple of inches. Out in Ski Gap, they had a couple of inches. Even out in Pittsburgh, an inch and a half to 3 inches out in this area here. The Poconos, 3 inches in some areas, a little bit over that in Clifford. Um, we come down here towards Moscow, they had 4.5. We go down to Avoca 44, had a couple of inches in the valley. Um, Sugar Notch had 3. So, it varies. It didn't take much to vary. And as you come down towards Philadelphia here, they had some Mount Laurel, New Jersey had almost 3 inches. We move this over to it's not coming out, but anyway, we moved this over towards Philadelphia, and you can see they had three inches down that way. So they finally got their snow. And if you go up here towards New Jersey, the areas up here, an inch and a half to 3, inch and a half to 2. It was basically 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5. The highest totals can be found up here. Leonard Harris State Park had 6 inches, and then Cowley had 6 inches. So some snow out there. And then, like I said, it pretty much spread across the state. It went a little bit further out here, but again, they only got an inch out here towards this is Cooperstown. Here's Cranberry, 4.5, but I'm going to say that's higher elevation out there. Clareton had 4 inches. Higher elevation. So, a little overdone in some of these areas up here that we haven't seen. Tomorrow morning, your lows will be single digits to the west and the higher elevations of the Poconos, and down 10 degrees here in Reading and Allentown down here. Single digits down towards Lancaster. Philadelphia, you're in the teens. South Jersey, you're in the middle teens. And if you want to know what that's going to feel up on your skin with the wind chill, pretty cold is almost the whole state is at some point below zero by tomorrow morning around 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Teens out in the west below zero. Down by Philadelphia, like 1 degree is what it feels like on your skin. And in South Jersey, 2, 3 degrees, what it feels. Even down in Cape May, 5 is how it feels on your skin. So pretty chilly night. Thursday morning won't be as cold as tomorrow morning. So Friday and Friday night, we'll have another low pressure system. And again, none of the computers are reading it correctly. They're pretty much doing what the last one kept saying, that it was going to be off the coast and that there wasn't going to be any snow. And then at the last couple of days before, they started coming in and saying that, okay, here you go, you're going to get snow. And part of that problem is because when it's out over the ocean, until it clears the Rocky Mountains, it's hard for the computers sometimes to figure it out. So you got to know in your head, and you got to know from analogs what to expect. And right now, this here is what the best I can find out there. Low pressure is too far off the coast. It's going to be much closer. So the basically the access to this is not the way you see it this way, right? And that would mean that the low's off the coast. Um, what what the access is going to be is more like going this way, and this is all this area is under the blue and some heavy. And I think there could be some very heavy snow along the I-95 corridor if everything uh, falls into place. And I think there's a lot more cold air to work with this time. And I don't think that there'll be any mixes down in here if it does snow. So where you got ripped off here in Jersey, I think you'll get snow. But even if it ends up like this is another one of those 3 to 5 inch things. And again, I think it's much further to the north with the snow. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it, and I'll update this tomorrow. I think the models might have a little better feel for it tomorrow night. All right, everybody take it easy on 360. And this is just for you, this video.